Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.
Well, I had a seizure and ended up breaking my screen afterwards. I got a new screen on the way. Should be here in a few more days. Been waiting on it almost a week. And got me some tools to do my first screen replacement. And I got to do the glass on this Nokia, which I'm going to try to do separate from the Digitizer to do it for $6 instead of like 15. The screen for this LG Stylo 5, I got it for about $31. And it looks like it's got the numbers and everything on there to match. And I figured while I wait for it to come in, I might as well go ahead and get to start trying to see if I can even do this. Well, here's what I've gotten on my first attempt. I've actually got me a hair dryer. I bought it for $13, and I'm working this thing around. I just figured something out. Do not use this up in here, especially plastic. It scratches no matter what, even if you've already got the space worked out. Don't use it. Use plastic. But yeah, look at this. As I'm going through, again, I need a tripod, so there's going to be kind of just step by step. But the point is it's working, and that adhesive right in there, believe it or not, that was actually the hardest thing to find in a timely manner for decent price. Is either spend $11 or $12 just for a roll of 1mm adhesive, or you get it for about closer to $4 to $5 if you get it from China. But it's going to take, almost a month to get here. No kidding. At least 3 weeks, it seems. And I need this thing ready, next week. So I found a deal for 3M brand. Exactly what I'm looking for $11, but it'll be here in 3 days, right around when the screen gets here. So, now, let's check out the little kit I got. I got this here for about $8. It comes with those tools you saw over there, pad, your basic set of screwdrivers, which is kind of nice. It's not 100,000 different screwdrivers. It's just the ones you really need. Little pick and everything. It comes with these, and man, they're almost good enough to work for one application, but I noticed that I think it's no, my camera lines up, the speaker lines up, the sensors over here don't line up, and it's not quite wide enough either. My phone's the LG Stylo 5 is like a 6.2-inch screen. This was another really neat little thing it came with. It came with this, with the suction cups, and I heard the best thing to do is to boil the suction cups and then stick them on, and they work great for this. Did my research before I started this project. I got my wireless keyboard. I need the switch to just get soldered. So this morning I ordered me a soldering iron for that. So now, as soon as that soldering iron comes in about a week, I'll have that back up and running. I can give my dad back his corded one. And they came with this extra little suction cup, which is pretty cool. Look at that. This is plastic. I just cleaned it off real good. And that's it. That's one heck of a bond. And I didn't even boil that. It comes with the little SIM card thing as well. You got your 2 picks. That there, which I bet. What do you want to bet? I bet, because I lost the pick to just transporting it over here. It kind of works. It's a little stiff, but it works. It looks like just a guitar pick. And honestly, I love the pattern. Man. And again, this thing here, I've heard these things are real handy, especially when they do the glass on glass, which we're going to be doing on this Nokia. You get up in there with the heat gun, and you don't let it go up and down, but you all the way through and then slide it through. That's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and be showing you on that one, but yeah, just whoops. That's another thing. Watch out your tools when you're using a heat gun. A hair dryer for heat gun, it blows everything away. But yeah, just. I've got to pick the tools up. Oh, the guitar pick. That's the most handy thing and the hardest to find. Well, shoot. Man, call that a lesson learned. Well, you wouldn't believe where the guitar pick ended up, you might have even seen it, I'll double check, but I think it ended up right there, because when I shook this, it fell and hit the floor. But look at the pattern on the floor. That is almost a death sentence. So anyway, this time we're going to move this stuff out of the way, heat it up, and try to separate some more. Look at that. Woohoo. Moving right along. Uh-oh, I kind of cursed myself here. I put some of that clear tape over the screen to start with so that it stays together when or to keep it from getting in your fingers and everything, and everywhere. The other thing is when you do just the glass, this really helps because it keeps you a lot of that shard picking out, from what I hear tell. Woohoo, not bad for my first time, huh? Did it again. But that time I watched it. How's that camera angle? Hey, not too bad. Probably be better to flip it over, but oh well, we'll work with what we got. I need a tripod so bad. So very, very badly. Alright, a second. I think we got it. Oh, remember, I'm fighting that tape right there. There we go. Let's try it without it. See if that makes it easier. Not really. It's a good idea to take that out when you're using a heat gun. I just realized it kind of wants to start to want to bend and get weak because of that, and a little hot to touch. All right, again, learning lessons here. This is my first time after all. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, that's hot too. Nope. It ain't gonna just pop off. That's it. Look at that. Woohoo! Now I've got access to the inside of my phone. I do that to that front screen after taking all this stuff apart, which I've already looked into how to do. And I'm as good as new. Woohoo! Pretty cool. All for $20 worth of tools. And now I can do it over and over again. Oh, and $11 for the 50 meters. That's like 150 feet of this 1mm adhesive, and obviously it works perfect. Look at that. Woohoo! And the way I see it is, if I need 2mm, I can just do it side by side. Whereas if I needed 1mm, I couldn't take 2mm, make it 1mm very well. So that was a real challenge. Find that 1mm, 3M brand, and quick shipping. That wasn't unreasonable, and I found it. Hee hee. All right, can't wait till the next step.
Answer the phone, Joshua!